You know Cinema 4D. You understand the foundations and have a good grasp on the tools and basic 3D concepts. You're even creating work with it all the time. But when you look at what top studios and artists are making, you know you're just not quite there yet. There's a gap between you and that next level. What can you do about that gap? Do you have to just settle for watching random YouTube tutorials that may or may not even be teaching you the correct techniques or concepts? Or is there a way to accelerate that process? Introducing Cinema 4D Ascent, designed to get you unstuck and propel you forward. Cinema 4D Ascent is an in-depth, intermediate course that drives home the core techniques of 3D animation and rendering. Cinema 4D Ascent not only focuses on the tools, it fills in the gaps of theory and puts these concepts into practice with simulated client briefs and projects. We take learning up a notch with our own custom learning platform. Cinema 4D Ascent comes with hours of in-depth lessons, assignments, but we don't stop there. We also give you bonus content like helpful PDF guides and podcasts featuring the best minds in the industry. This course is the next step in your Cinema 4D learning journey. It's meant for those of you that have taken Cinema 4D Basecamp and are looking for more. Or if you have a year or two of using Cinema 4D under your belt and feel comfortable in 3D, you're ready to take this course. It is so important to stay current in this industry, and that's exactly why this course is taught using recent versions of both Cinema 4D and Redshift. We do recommend that you have a computer that can run Redshift or Octane, as one or both of these programs can and should be used throughout the course. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in class.